Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a back to top button on your WordPress website so that whenever somebody clicks on that button, wherever he or she is on your web page, he will be redirected to the top of the page. So how this button works actually. So suppose I have this website right now, and this is of course the home page. And let's suppose if I am a user and I scroll down to the last section, and now I want to jump to the hero section, or I want to go onto the top. Then without the back to top button, what will happen? I need to scroll up all the way to the hero section one by one. And of course, if the web page length is too much, then of course it will take time. But instead of that, we can add a button on the left bottom or right bottom easily, through which user will be able to click only once, and then he or she will be able to jump to the top of the page. So how to achieve this functionality? That is the agenda for this video. So in order to do the same, let's go to WordPress dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here we will require a small and simple plugin. So here you will search for back to top. You will search for back to top. And once you search for back to top in your search bar inside the plugin, it will show you some, plugins option, that is WP front scroll top, smooth back to top button, make easy, back me, right? So there are multiple plugins. So we'll go with the first one. So click on install now. And this is a lightweight plugin, so there is no problem. You can add it on your entire WordPress website, or you can exclude some pages and click on activate. Once you install the plugin and activated it, now it is asking for the settings, that how you want to configure it. So first of all, enable. Yes, we want to enable this button. JavaScript asynchronous, that is something you can keep as it is, because if you are not using any cache plugin, then there is no problem. Scroll offset 100 pixel, button size 0 by 0. So of course not 0 by 0, we will get 50 pixel by 50 pixel. You can customize it as per your own need, so that is no problem. Opacity is 18%, button fade duration nothing, scroll duration 400 millisecond, auto hide after 2 seconds, and you can keep all the setting as it is. And then button style, image button, text button, font button as it is, keep for now. And the location, so we'll keep bottom left, margin 20 pixel as it is. All pages, or you want to include pages, or you want to exclude pages. Let's say you don't want to show on post or maybe landing pages, you can do that, but as of now we are just keeping on all the pages. And there are different options in terms of buttons, in terms of images. So whatever button suits you as per your theme, you can go with that. Or if you want to add a custom image, then you can also do that. So as of now, we'll use this particular image as a button image, and then once it is done, click on save changes. Once the changes are saved, come back to the website. Right now we don't have any button. Refresh the website once, and now if I now scroll down, you can see there is a button on the bottom left, which is now there. And if I, let's say, scroll down all the way bottom, so as soon as I click on this button, I will be redirected, scroll to the top of the page, where whatever it is, it doesn't matter how lengthy the page is, it will directly scroll me up to the top of the page. And that's how it is called back to top. It means you want to again go to the top of the page, but without scrolling too much, in just a single click. So guys, that's how you can add a back to top button. And of course, with the settings, you can play around that, what settings you want to change: scroll duration, auto hide after 2 seconds, hide in small window. If you want to use text button, you can do that. Font awesome button, you can do that. Or if you want to do it, let's say you don't want to scroll down to the top of the page, you want to scroll to the specific element, then you can define the particular div element or HTML the ID to the particular code. And or if you want to link to any page, that if somebody click on that button, it will be redirected to some other page, you can do that. But the basic use is that to go back to the top of the page. And of course, there are other settings also. You can play around with it, and you can customize as per your need. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.